weather, more than 61,000 electric customers have lost power already. Restoration crews standing by.
There are 16,000 linemen staged to immediately begin power restoration efforts, and Floridians in the path of the storm should expect to see power outages.
Governor Ron DeSantis live updates on the storm at foxweather.com. President Biden pleased that the red wave that many had projected for the November elections didn't seem to materialize. President telling a post-election news conference when the results are final, he'll meet with leaders of both parties.
I would do everything in my power to see to reunite the country. It's hard to sustain yourself as a leading democracy in the world if you can't generate some unity.
But despite a Fox News voter analysis that showed 75% of the voters are dissatisfied with the way the government is working, the president says he doesn't plan to make any fundamental changes. Control of the Congress still yet to be decided. Republicans needing victories in 11 more districts to gain the majority in the House. Senate races remain undecided in Nevada and Arizona. Vote counting continues in Alaska, where both Senate candidates are Republicans. Georgia's Senate race will be decided in a December 6th runoff election. Wall Street Wednesday, the Dow plunged 646 points. NASDAQ dropped 250